What's up, Paradise Crew? My name is Griff.
And I'm Alyssa.
And today is part 2 in our video series, things that are not going to be included in your cruise.
Roll intro!
Now, if you missed yesterday's video, don't forget to watch what is included in your cruise. Alyssa's gonna drop a link above right here, and she's gonna put a link below in the comment box. So check those out.
Okay, so the first thing that is not included in the cost of your cruise are the specialty restaurants. So that's the steakhouses on board, Margaritaville, Johnny Rockets, depending on your cruise line. They will either have a service fee per person or it will be a la carte. So just keep a lookout for those.
Going off of specialty restaurants, what's also not included is actually novelty places. So this is gonna be like your Ben & Jerry's, your Starbucks, your cupcake shops, stuff like that. Gelato, these are not included in your cruise package.
Let's talk about room service. So in the last video, I mentioned that Royal Caribbean and Celebrity typically charge a service fee for all room services besides the continental breakfast. There are also menus that have special items on it that you will pay a la carte. So just make sure that you check the menu before you order so you know what exactly you are or are not paying for.
Next up is going to be your beverages, so your drinks like alcohol, soda. If you're gonna do this, you're actually gonna have to purchase a beverage package or it's gonna be cost per item. Another thing to keep in mind is actually your fresh squeezed juices at like breakfasts or lunches like that. You're gonna go get really happy and try to get fresh squeezed juice, just know it's gonna cost you extra. So swipe.
Swipe. There are a few things in the entertainment and activities department that will cost you extra. So that's dinner theaters. We did Wine Lovers the Musical on Norwegian. Cost extra, but it was a great time. I highly recommend that. Deal or No Deal, the golf simulators, all those will typically cost you a little bit of money.
Also, a few other things is actually gonna be bingo, the casino, and the arcade, for obvious reasons.
There are some educational classes that are not included, and that would be hands-on cooking classes, wine tastings, cocktail tastings, and some special liquor tastings, which are not to be confused with the free liquor tastings that we talked about in our last video.
Next up is the spa. All spa treatments are not included. The thermal suites, not included, so keep that in mind.
There are some fitness classes that you will have to pay extra for. So that's yoga, spin class, TRX, personal training, and even those body assessments. Sometimes you have to pay for those too.
Now, depending on the circumstances, some cruise lines actually charge you for the adults only pass to, get access to that private area with no children. So keep that in mind, look ahead and do your research.
The childcare that you will pay for is babysitting. So they consider babysitting any child under the age of 3, and or if you want to stay out really late at night, anything after 10, I believe, they will charge you extra for that too.
Now, this kind of goes without saying for most people, but excursions, these are not included in your cruise package. So you actually have to reach out or go to the main desk and actually purchase your excursion, so check that out. And speaking of excursions, if you're looking to book cheaper excursions or you're looking for the best excursions, check out our excursions video. Also, try to say excursions 10 times fast. Next up is gratuity. So you can either pay your gratuity in advance or you can do it on board and it'll be per person in the stateroom.
So the last thing on our list is Wi-Fi. Typically you can spend anywhere from $5 to $35 per day per device. So make sure you keep that in mind. If you can go without Wi-Fi, great. If you need to have it, choose your package wisely.
Now the big question is, out of all the things not included, what is something you wish they did include in your basic cruise package? Excursions, drink package, what is it? Let me know what you think.
And as always, thanks for watching this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up.
And if you dig the vibes, please subscribe.
And if you care, please share. We'll see you in paradise.